Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting your left hand geometry. Thumb rests behind the neck, wrist relaxed, fingers curved to use fingertips. Press just behind the fret, not on top, so the note rings cleanly. This minimizes buzzing. Once in position, play a slow 1-2-3-4 chromatic pattern at 60-80 BPM, focusing on even pressure and quick lifting between notes. Keep motion economical. Small joints do the work. This first step builds accuracy and finger independence, which you'll rely on in the next phase. Now move to your right hand. Secure the pick between thumb and index with a firm but relaxed grip, angling it about 30 to 45 degrees to reduce catching. Begin alternate picking down, up, against a metronome at 80 BPM, then slowly increase speed while keeping strokes even. Once comfortable, synchronize with the left hand chromatic pattern. Play single-string 4-note groups. Watch for timing and equal volume. Make sure to relax your wrist and forearm. Tension kills speed. This coordination is the core of clean, consistent movement. Finally, connect both hands by playing simple scales and arpeggios slowly, focusing on synchronization and tone. Practice 3 to 5 minutes per hand, then extend to 15. Once patterns are solid, increase tempo gradually by 5 to 10% increments, keeping accuracy before speed. If something goes wrong, buzzing notes, sloppy timing, stop and isolate the offending hand, slow it down, and check thumb placement or pick angle. Make sure to relax and breathe. Releasing tension is often the single quickest fix for recurring problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.